Hey everyone, it's me again. I'm going to be going over forces in physics, which we've been learning this term, since we're going to be getting a test on it soon. So, without further ado, let's begin. A force is defined as a push or pull, any action which changes or tends to change its state of rest or uniform motion of the object. A force may be used to compress, squeeze, move, bend, twist, rotate, or stretch an object. And a force applied to any object may change its size, shape, or motion. Forces may be broadly classified into contact and non-contact forces. Contact forces must be physically in contact with the object, while non-contact forces act at a distance and do not have contact with the object. The regions within which non-contact forces act are called force fields, but not those kind of force fields. Contact forces can be further classified into several different categories. An applied force is a force applied to an object by another person or object, for example, a hammer and a nail, or someone pushing a wall. Frictional force is the opposing force exerted by a surface as an object moves across it, and we'll get to that in another video. A tensional force is a force transmitted through a string, rope, or wire that is pull tight by forces acting at each end, like a person hanging onto a rope for their life. Normal force is a support force exerted on an object which is rested on another stable object, like something on a chair. And finally, we have spring force, the force exerted by a stretched or compressed spring on an object. It can be seen in ballpoint pens, trampolines, or chicken shoes. Non-contact forces can also be classified into several different categories. These include electric forces, which exist between electric charges, electric fields, and electric fields and electric charges. Magnetic forces exist between magnets and currents. Nuclear forces are the very strong forces which hold the particles of an atom together, and gravitational forces act between masses. The greater the mass of the object, the greater its gravitational force acting on it. Electric or magnetic forces may be attractive or repulsive, while nuclear and gravitational forces are only attractive. And as I promised, in the next video, we will be looking at friction in more detail. So for now, goodbye!
Created using Part1.